morning, LaSalle. I'm Pat Daly.
I'm Juliana Tanzi.
And welcome to WLSA. It's finally the end of the week and almost the weekend. Are you planning on doing anything fun this weekend, Juliana?
I was thinking about trying a recipe from Quarantine Kitchen.
That sounds great. Now let's send it off to Emilia's kitchen where she's making cinnamon rolls.
What's up, LaSalle? I'm Emilia and welcome back to Quarantine Kitchen. Today we're going to be making cinnamon rolls, so go wash your hands and let's get cooking. Heat the milk and a quarter cup of butter in the microwave until it's about 110 degrees. In another bowl, mix together 3 cups of flour and 1/4 cup of sugar. Pour the milk, butter, and yeast into the bowl of a stand mixer and gradually add the flour mixture while stirring. Put the dough in a greased bowl, cover with a damp towel, and let it rest for 10 minutes. While the dough rests, mix together the rest of the sugar and the cinnamon. Take out the dough and roll it into a 9 by 14 inch rectangle. Spread the rest of the butter on it and sprinkle it with cinnamon and sugar. Roll the dough up starting from the 14-inch end. Now for a quick tutorial on how to use dental floss to slice the dough. So to do the cutting with the dental floss, you just want to thread the dental floss underneath the roll and then cross over the 2 ends and then gently kind of tug on it a little bit and it'll cut right through really smooth. There you go. Preheat the oven to 350, place the rolls in a pan and let them rise for 25 minutes. While the dough rises, make the icing by mixing together the butter, vanilla, powdered sugar, and milk. Bake the cinnamon rolls for 15 to 20 minutes and then pour the icing on top. That's all for today on Quarantine Kitchen. Make sure to check the link for the full recipe in the description. Back to you guys.
Wow, those look amazing.
I can't wait to try to make those myself.
Now, let's send it off to Sarah to hear about this weekend's weather.
Good morning, LaSalle, and happy Friday. I am back with your weekend weather. So today is going to be about 61, partly cloudy, not too bad. Nice, usual May weather afternoon. Now tomorrow is going to be 57, a little bit less, and there is about a 40% chance of rain in the afternoon. So it could go into the evening, but the morning might be a little bit nicer. So on Sunday, on Mother's Day, it is going to be the nicest day this weekend. It's going to be 64 degrees, partly cloudy, a bunch of sun, and there'll be a little wind. So not a horrible weekend. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and let's send our prayers down to Mississippi and Alabama because they just went through some really tough storms and had really bad tornadoes. It's going to take them weeks to recover, so let's send our prayers down to them. But I hope you guys have a great weekend. Back to you guys.
The Aries Astronomy Club will be holding a meeting today at Dismissal in S238. If you are a member of the club or you're just interested in joining the club, please stop by. At the meeting, the club will be talking about the upcoming stargazing event for the month of May, as well as a possible virtual stargazing event.
On Tuesday, May 11th, LaSalle will be hosting a COVID vaccination clinic between 7:30 a.m. and 3 p.m. Please do not park in the spaces along the outfield fence in the lower athletic center parking lot, the S lot, as these will be reserved for the nurses working in the clinic. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
From everyone here at WLSA, I'm Pat Daly.
I'm Juliana Tanzi. Have a great day.
And a better tomorrow.